friends, it's Miss Stephanie from Classroom 8, and today I just wanted to quickly introduce you to our rocket ship project that we're going to be doing this week. So the first thing you're going to do is find this paper. It's a blue paper, and attached to it is our envelope. It should have your name on it, and inside that envelope you're going to find some squares, and you're going to find some triangles. Okay, there should be 3 triangles and enough squares for you to write your name on them. Okay, so each square is going to get a different letter from your name. So that's the first thing we're going to start with. So I need you to pick your squares one at a time and start writing the letters of your name. So I'm going to start with mine. Get my marker. And on my first square, I'm going to write S because that's the first letter of my name. So S. Okay, and then comes T. Now remember, friends, if you don't know how to spell your name, it says it on your envelope. So look at your envelope to help you, okay? T comes next for me. So T. E, P, H. It's the last letter of my name. H. So, after you finish writing your name, so you can pause this video if you need to write your name out. I know some of my friends have very long names. So you feel free to pause it and then continue when you're done. I'm gonna keep going. So my name is written out on my squares. So the next thing I need to do is get my glue stick. Now, I don't have glue with me right now, so I have tape on mine. So I'm going to start with my first letter. Move this over so you guys can see it a little better. Okay, I'm going to start with my first letter, S, and I'm going to put my S in the middle of my paper, okay? And we're going to build a rocket. So we need to continue going down with our squares. So I have my next letter is my T. I'm going to put it right under my S. I'm going to keep on going with my third letter, E. Fourth letter, P. And my fifth and final letter, H. Goes right on the bottom. Now remember, if you have a very, very, very long name like one of my friends does, you're going to have to start all the way at the top, okay? If your name is shorter like mine, you guys can start towards the middle of your paper. But Valentina and some of my other friends have very long names, so you're going to have to start way up top, okay? Now the next step is putting our top triangle on, which is the top of our rocket ship, right? So this is going to have to be glued up here, okay? The tippy top, okay? So glue that piece on there, and then we have to put they're almost like wings, right? They go on the side of our rocket ship. So one is going to go over here, and the other one is going to go on the opposite side. Okay, just like that. Okay, that's our rocket ship. And now if you want to, you can even make some smoke or some flames coming out the bottom. So you can get a marker. I'm gonna go grab a marker. You can take your yellow and your red marker, and you can almost make like flames coming out the bottom. Now you guys can do whatever you want. You don't have to make flames, but I think that looks pretty cool, just with a little bit of decorations. You can also put some clouds or some birds over here, right? You can add whatever you want. I just did some birds. You can add some clouds, and you can add the sun or the moon, wherever your rocket ship's going, okay? So I just wanted to quickly show you how to assemble your rocket using the pieces that you were given in your envelope. So we will do this activity on Wednesday. So if you are not in our Google Meet, you guys now know what to do with these pieces, okay? So have a nice day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.